How to delete uploaded photos in ChatGPT on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove photos you've previously uploaded to ChatGPT in just a few steps. First, open the ChatGPT app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three lines at the top left of the screen to open the sidebar. Let me show you. From there, find the conversation that contains the photo you want to delete and tap on it to open it. At this point, scroll through the conversation to find the message with the uploaded photo. In the next step, tap and hold on the message containing the photo to open the options menu. From there, look for the delete option and tap on it to remove the message and the uploaded photo. If that option is not available, if you want to remove all uploaded photos across all conversations, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Once done, tap on Settings to open your ChatGPT settings. From there, scroll down and tap on Data Controls. At this point, tap on Clear All Chats to remove all conversations, including any photos you've uploaded. Let me show you. Tap on Delete to confirm. Here's an important note. Deleting a conversation removes all content within it, including uploaded photos, permanently. This action cannot be undone, so make sure you've saved any photos you want to keep before confirming the deletion. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete uploaded photos in ChatGPT, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.